Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So your phone does not ring or vibrate whenever your phone is on silent mode. So if you want to enable vibration option while your phone is on silent mode, then how can you do that? So for that, just follow my steps here. So for that, just open your settings option on your iPhone. Just find your settings option and you can see on the top of the left corner my settings option here. So just click on settings. So here you can see lots of settings option here. So just scroll down and you can see notification, and the second option is sound and haptics. So just click on second option, sound and haptics here. So in the sound and haptic option, you can see the first option is vibrate on, ring while ringing, and the second option is vibrate on silent mode here. So just enable this option. So by enabling this, whenever someone calls you on your iPhone and your iPhone is on silent mode, your iPhone will start vibrating. So this is how you can do it. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. See you again in next video.